Hello again. So today we're going to be doing lesson 5, which talks about multiplying by tens, hundreds, or thousands. This hopefully will be a very quick and easy lesson. All we're doing for this is taking 10, 100, or 1,000 and multiplying it. Oops, we got a 0. Multiplying it by a number. So for instance, if we have the number 23. If they say what's 23 times 10, all you need to do is remember that if I do 23 times 1, I'm going to get 23, correct? But if I do it times 10, I'm adding a 0 in there. So let's see. If I do 23 times 10, I know that I do 0 times 3 is 0. 0 times 2 is 0. Then I put a place spot. 1 times 3 is 3. 1 times 2 is 2. If I add it, I get 230. So the difference between having the 1 there and a 0 there is a 0. So therefore, an easy way to do that instead of doing all that is to know that when you do 23 times 10, you just count how many zeros you have. And since I have 1 0, I copy the number and put a 0 at the end. So, let's try this with a different number. If I had 352 times 10, all I would do is say there's 1 0, so I'm going to put my 1 0 down and copy the rest of the number. And that's all. Done. Now, that seems simple. Let's try 100. 100, if I had 753 times 100. Seems scary, but I know again, 753 times 1 is going to give me 753. How many zeros do I have? 1, 2. So that's how many I put. Done. Okay, so you just count zeros. If I have 1,000, if I have 87 times 1,000. Seems like it'd be difficult, but all you do is say 1 and 87 is 87. How many zeros do I have? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now, that pattern works with everything. And I'm just going to throw a hard one at you, but you won't see this in your practice. If I said times 1 million, oh my gosh, seems like something that would be difficult. If I said what's 75 times 1 million? Well, 75 times 1 is 75. And then I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Done. So hopefully that helps you to understand lesson 5. See you next time.